Hazrat Auf bin Malik radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed a funeral prayer. I have remembered the words of his supplication in that funeral prayer. They are these. Translation: O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, pardon him, show mercy to him, keep him in peace, forgive him, give him a respectable entertainment, make his grave spacious, wash him with water, snow, and hell, purify him from the sin in such a way as you have rinsed a white cloth clean from dirt. Grant him a better abode in paradise in exchange for his worldly house. Grant him a better household in place of his worldly family. Bestow him a better spouse for his worldly one. Admit him to paradise. Keep him secured from the grave torment and hell chastisement. Hazrat Auf says that at that time he wished he were that dead man. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2229.